Am I the only one that didn't know how to fix the ERR_address_unreachable error? Let's dive into some easy fixes. First, check your network connection. Whether you're on Wi-Fi or Ethernet, make sure everything's plugged in and your Wi-Fi signal is strong. Restart your router and modem if needed. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This gets rid of old, corrupted data that might be causing the issue. Still having trouble? Try disabling any proxy settings you might have. Go to your browser settings and turn them off. Advanced steps include updating your network drivers and flushing the DNS cache. These steps might sound techy, but they're crucial for resolving deeper issues. If all else fails, don't hesitate to seek professional help. Sometimes a call to your ISP or a tech expert is the best move. So there you have it. Easy steps to tackle the ERR_address_unreachable error and get you back online. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.